This is chapter 2, exercise 3. These formulas are related to third exercise. Already we studied this. Again I am telling you. Type 3, subdivision 1. Integral e power x dx is equal to e power x plus c. Integral a power x dx is 1 by log a into a power x plus c. Subdivision 3, integral e power ax related to this only. The coefficient of a will come in the denominator. E power x da e power x, e power ax plus b na e power ax plus b, and the coefficient of x will come in the denominator. And fourth subdivision is a power mx plus n dx. Integral a power mx plus n dx is 1 by log a into a power mx plus n, and the coefficient of x is m, that will come in the denominator. These formula you should study before going to third exercise. Exercise 2.3, question number 1. Integrate with respect to x. Integral e power x log a plus e power a log a minus e power n log x into dx. Three different terms are there, but nothing is as per our formula application. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, you should make it as formula format-க்கு அதை கொண்டு வரதுக்கு you should try. Power வந்து I mean log functionல x log a na x will go as power of this function. இந்த aக்கு power போய்டும். அதே மாதிரி a will go as power of a and n will be the power of x. Okay, power rule in log. You are using power rule in log. A log m is equal to log m power a. Okay, so similarly e on log cancel ஆயிடும். இங்க e log cancel ஆயிடும், e log cancel ஆயிடும். Remaining a power x will come. Here a power a will come, and here x power n will come. Now this is as per our formula application. You can apply the formula directly. Already we know that a power x is 1 by a power x by log a, or 1 by log a into a power x. Anything this application is correct. Then a power a is constant. Constant integrate panna, that k will come, along with that x will come. Integral k dx. Already I told you the answer is kx plus c. Is it not? Integral k dx is equal to kx plus c. Here k is nothing but a power a. So a power a will come as it is, along with that x minus x power n formula. Already we know that x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is the answer for second problem. And the second question is integral a power x minus e power x log b divided by e power x log a into b power x dx. இதில் வந்து application formula application is not possible because இது fractionல இருக்கு. fractionல இல்லாமல் பார்த்து adjust பண்ணி நம்ம கொண்டு வந்தால் தான் you can apply the formula. So அதுக்கு என்ன adjustmentலாம் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, like last problem, this x will go as power of b and denominator again x will go as power of a. Okay, அப்புறம் e log cancel ஆகிட்டு you will get b power x. a power x minus b power x divided by again e and log cancel, a power x into b power x. Now if two functions are in product na, that you can split as two fractions, a power x by a power x into b power x, b power x by a power x into b power x. See, look at the next step, a power x divided by, since the denominators are like, you can join the numerators depending upon the middle term sign. ஓகேவா, இங்கே மைனஸ் இருந்தால் மைனஸ் போட்டு ரெண்டு டேர்மாக பிரிச்சுக்கலாம். டினாமினேட்டர் ப்ராடக்டில் இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் பிரிக்க முடியும், அப்படி இல்லைனா பிரிக்க முடியாது. ஓகேவா, அதே மாதிரி சிங்கிள் டேர்மாக இருந்தாலும் பிரிக்கலாம் டினாமினேட்டர். ஓகே, நியூமரேட்டரில் ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷன், டினாமினேட்டர் ரெண்டு. அகெயின் செகண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன் b power x divided by a power x. Now you can cancel a power x, here b power x cancel, getting 1 by b power x, 1 by a power x. Okay, now since it is in denominator, you are unable to apply the formula, it should go to the numerator. This also you should take to the numerator. b power minus x, a power minus x, in between minus. Now this is ready for application. A power x formula again you are going to use. A power mx plus n integral dx. A power mx plus n by log a into m, coefficient of x will come as denominator. Similarly here a power x is nothing but here b power x, b power minus x by log b into coefficient of x is minus 1. இங்கே mx plus n formula application, but n is not here. n உங்களுக்கு இல்லைனாலும் பரவாயில்ல, அந்த ஃபார்முலாவே நீ யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். n இருந்தால் கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கலாம், இல்லைனாலும் நோ ப்ராப்ளம். வாட் எவர் இட் இஸ் in the power that you can write as it is, along with that coefficient you should write in the denominator. Again here a power x formula is a power x by log a. Log a power mx plus n is a power mx plus n by log a into m. What is m? That is nothing but the coefficient of x that will come as denominator. Now minus into minus will become in the next step, or you can interchange the steps, children, terms. A power minus x by log a, minus into minus plus positive term in front, this negative term at the back. Okay, now you can bring this numerator to the denominator, power will become positive, and this is the answer for the second question.